Thank you, Madam Speaker. Colleagues, I bring you House Bill 2013, which received unanimous support from the House Early Childhood and Family Supports Committee and is the result of a work group convened by Speaker Kotek. In 2015, we created the Preschool Promise program to provide low-income families access to free, high-quality preschool. Preschool Promise gives families the option to choose a provider setting such as Head Start programs or child care centers. House Bill 2013 addresses some unintended consequences of the 2015 legislation. Current law requires lead preschool promise teachers to have a bachelor's degree, but it can be difficult for lead teachers to obtain a bachelor's degree due to cost, time, cultural language barriers, such as having English as a second language. While it is widely recognized that education and training are important for early learning workforce, we know that a bachelor's degree is not synonymous with high-quality learning environment. Research strongly supports the benefits of culturally competent professionals in the early learning workforce, and this is increasingly pertinent in the context of growing diversity. Nearly 40% of young Oregon children are non-white or Hispanic. To be more inclusive, House Bill 2013 expands the required qualifications for lead preschool teachers to allow certain credentials and certifications, training, and other experience in education to be substituted for a bachelor's degree. House Bill 2013 addresses pay disparities between preschool promise lead teachers and non-preschool promise lead teachers. Presently, lead teachers are being paid at different rates, even when they are within the same organization doing the same work. Salaries for preschool promise teachers are between $34,000 and $63,000, depending on the region. Compare that to the average Oregon Head Start lead teacher salary in 2016, which is roughly $28,000. This creates a morale and retention challenges for Head Start teachers who leave for the preschool promise. House Bill 2013 allows the Early Learning Division to develop preschool promise salary guidelines rather than salary requirements. This bill requires the Early Learning Division to help preschool promise programs address pay disparities for all preschool staff. Preschool promise staff tend to get low wages, which results in high turnover. Higher staff wages are associated with stable teacher-child relationships and positive interactions, which is critical during the early years. House Bill 2013 directs the Early Learning Division to evaluate access to early learning and financing of early learning because preschool promise programs aren't reaching all children in need. Head Start and Preschool Promise are only serving 62% and 37% of the eligible Oregon citizens. House Bill 2013 provides a more equitable pathway for lead preschool teachers, addresses low compensation for preschool staff, and helps us determine how preschool programs can better reach our most vulnerable children. I ask your support. Thank you.